Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the starter fuse and starter relay are located on this 2008 Chevy Impala. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. The first thing we need to do is pop our hood. Now that we're under the hood, this is our under the hood fuse box here. So we're going to open this cap by lifting on these tabs on the side. Then you can pull this lid right out of here. So on the back of our cover here, we've got a legend. You can see the starter relay is right here and the starter fuse is right here. So that's going to be this 40 amp box fuse right here is the starter fuse, and this big relay right here is the starter relay. So we've got starter fuse, starter relay. I will have fuses linked down below that you can get online if you want to check those out. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.